Are you getting Roku error 018? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check the internet connection. Roku error code 018 indicates a poor internet connection speed. Roku error 018 is a common issue that occurs when users experience poor download speeds while streaming content. So, first of all, check the internet speed. Open a web browser on your device and navigate to a speed test website like speedtest.net. Run the test to determine your current internet speed. If the speed is slow, then contact your service provider. Method 2. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Ensure your Roku device is connected to your home network. Check the Wi-Fi signal strength on your Roku device by going to Settings, then Network, and then check Connection. If the signal strength is weak, consider moving your router or modem to improve the signal. Method 3. Bring the router close to Roku device. Check that your Roku system is closer to the wireless router and there is no obstacle between them. This should improve the signal strength. Also, move any metal objects or electronic devices away from your Roku system and the router. Metal objects and electronic devices sometimes interfere with wireless signals. Method 4. Restart your Roku device. A fresh restart can often fix minor bugs and glitches. So, restart your Roku device. To do that, go to Roku Settings and then select System. Then Power. Select System Restart. Wait till your system restarts and then check if the issue is fixed. Method 5. Check for interference. If you have a dual-band Roku device, try switching to a different Wi-Fi channel like 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz to see if it improves the connection. For 2.4 GHz network, try using channels 1, 6 and 11, which are less crowded and less prone to interference. If you are still experiencing issues, try disabling interference mitigation on your Roku device. This feature can cause issues for other devices on your network. Method 6. Check for firmware updates. Ensure your Roku device is running the latest firmware. To update the firmware, go to Settings, then select System. Then select Software Update. If updates are available, install them. Method 7. Reset your Roku device. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, try resetting your Roku device to its default settings. Go to Settings, then select System. Next, select Advanced System Settings, then Factory Reset. Method 8. Remove other devices. Sometimes the devices around your Roku and router may jam the internet signal. So you can try taking these devices far away from your Roku device and router. Once you take them away, restart your Roku and check if the error is fixed. Method 9. Contact Roku support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, you can contact Roku support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue or provide additional guidance. And there you have it, the way to fix Roku error 018. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix the issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.